Hey guys, just a quick video. I know I haven't made one in a while, but the stock market had a crazy day today. I'm down. I'm down $150 just today, and $216 this week. $200 this past month, and yeah. So that's it. But at one point, I was down $250 on the day, which kind of sucked. But part of it, like this past week, just being negative. Just being negative, like in general, is kind of my fault. Today the market did dip, and it was just crazy, right? But before I explain kind of my strategy, I would like it if you guys could please subscribe. I think 90% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if you could please subscribe and like my videos, that'd be great, just to push my content out. I'll also be talking a little bit more about crypto and Bitcoin specifically, just because I do hold some crypto. I don't want to disclose how much crypto I have, how much Bitcoin I have, just for privacy reasons or security reasons or whatever. But if we look at the price of crypto, of Bitcoin, it did go over $34,000, and then it kind of crashed down to like the 30K, I think, and then even dipped below. I think it went as far as 27K, but it's bouncing back up, which is a healthy thing to see. It looks like some people took profits and then, just bought the dip again. Looks like they took profits here too. But I think the next stop, maybe within a month or couple, 2 to 3 months, maybe April or May, as healthy growth is concerned, I think 40K would be nice to see. 50K definitely by the end of the year. I know some people have said maybe 100K or whatever, but I don't know about that. But maybe, you just never know. So I was down 100 on the day. A big part of this was because of Rolls-Royce. They are shelving one of their projects. They're not working on one of their projects for quite a while, actually. I think they're doing like a jet engine or something like that. So one of the things I do want to talk about is that I did short Rolls-Royce. I sold 1,000 shares at 153, and then I bought 1,006 shares at 152, which, I mean, I just got 6 shares for free or whatever, right? Which doesn't really make sense, but if I can short it out a little bit, I will, just because of how much loss they have already given me. I think I've lost about, since they were like right here, I bought this dip, and then they went here, and I just been continuously losing money. So I think I've lost like $400 with them already, but I do hold 1,300 shares here, and then 660 shares over here, so almost 2,000 shares of Rolls-Royce. And I do have some Activision Blizzard, which obviously fell today. So yeah, Sony looking, I mean, they fell, but they're still kind of strong, right? Holding on at 100. I reduced my position in Sony. I think I sold 2 shares, and I sold 2 shares of Apple, to have just a little bit over 2 shares of Tesla, just because of the numbers that they hit and everything. I think that Tesla probably under $1,000 is a buy. Definitely under 900. At 900, I think people are gonna probably take some profit. But just because of the numbers that they hit, and then this Biden being sworn into office or whatever, it's gonna be a good thing for Tesla and any EV company. I do have a couple watch lists that I'm looking at, a couple of things that I'm looking at. I'm looking at some AI, microvision, and nano dimensions. I know Kathy Wood mentioned it. I did open an M1 Finance. I'm gonna start a Roth. I'm gonna start a Roth IRA, and I'll probably do. I already have like a pie set up with some of Kathy Wood's ARK ETFs. So that's gonna be interesting. That'll probably be like a dividend focused portfolio, just so the dividends aren't taxed. They'll obviously be reinvested automatically, just like they are here on Robinhood. But yeah, so if you guys bought this dip, that's amazing. Unfortunately, I woke up on the market. I woke up I bought right here, and then I just continued to lose money. I did sell Nike, and I sold Nike at the high, so at the open, to fund for Tesla and a little bit more. No, I think it all just went straight to Tesla. So yeah, I think that with Nike falling, there'll definitely be more opportunity to buy here in the future, and I'm just gonna miss out on a couple bucks. I think it was around like 5 shares. I only had like $700 worth of Nike anyway. But yeah, some of the things that I have been looking at are, I did take notice of these stocks, but I didn't believe in them. I didn't believe in Bit Digital, just because it had already had a big run up by the point that I took notice. So I noticed it when it was like $6, right? And then it like had massive gains to like 12 or 14 bucks, and I said, okay, it's too late now. It was like within a day or two, right? It just run up, and what happens is that people like to short this stuff. So it went up on like the 29th or the 28th, and I said, okay, the next day, it's gonna pull back, and it didn't. It just skyrocketed, dude. So I missed out on that. Same thing here. I missed out on this, which is not too bad, I guess, because they did actually pull back as I thought they were. Ripple obviously is fucking dead, basically. Riot blockchain. So this one pulled back like I thought it was gonna be, or it didn't run up as high. Oh, I could have just showed you the Bitcoin price here, but I don't buy Bitcoin on Robinhood because you don't actually own your coins. As the saying goes, not your keys, not your coins. So yeah, if you guys are into Bitcoin, you probably know what that means. So these are some of the dividend stocks I've been looking at. Not Starbucks so much. I don't know why it's on there. I've been looking at AT&T, ExxonMobil, Square, and Cisco. So it should be on here somewhere. I don't know. I have my watch list and shit all mixed up. I need to go on my computer and fix everything. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, for today. My portfolio is sitting at, let's see, how much is this? Like 1,000. Well, like $1,000, $1,050. So I'm sitting at 9. So I'm less than 10K right now. I do have a hard wallet that I store my Bitcoin on, a cold wallet. But I'm looking at BlockFi to earn interest on my crypto. So we'll see, but it's a hot wallet, so I know they are backed by a lot of people, so we'll see. by a lot of important institutions. They do store it cold also, and then they lend out, with things that are collateral and stuff like that. So that should be interesting. But today was a really good opportunity to buy, especially here. Unfortunately, I mean, it still is a good opportunity to buy. Things are just red. There was like a huge correction. People took profits, and the only stocks that really did well today were like pharmaceutical stocks and stuff like that. They really did really good, and I mean, obviously Walmart did good just because they're a pandemic driven stock. They have a lot of things, and a lot of things that people need and want. So, but yeah, huge correction today. I mean, it's not a big deal. My portfolio is only down like 1.5%, but on the week I'm down 2.5%, and on the month I'm down 2%. I mean, I'm still up 18%, this year, but man, it's just still hurts, right? But this is an opportunity to reinvest and just keep buying. So I'm just looking at the numbers here with the risk of Rolls-Royce, and I know 2021 is probably not going to be a good year for them either, with the new strain of the virus and stuff like that. I'm looking at 1,292 shares with 660 and TD Ameritrade, and I'm trying to do the math here. Pre-pandemic levels, we're talking we're talking like $8 or something, right? So if my 2,900 shares go up to $8, we're looking at $23,000. So oh wait, it's just 2,000 shares. Wait, what? No, I'm confused, dude. It's gonna be 2,658, right? 2,600. If they go anywhere near $8, I'm looking at a big upside. So, as I keep getting more paychecks and stuff, this is, like around 2,000, like around $3,000 that I'm willing to lose, just because of the upside. So, yeah, that should be interesting. And, just, there's always risk in the market. And if we see, like, I have had huge dips before, where the market has corrected big time, but always come back up even more, right? But yeah, I might have to switch up my strategy here. I don't know how much big growth is coming my way here shortly, but I guess we'll see. And yeah, that's basically my update. So here's my hard wallet right there. I get my stuff on Coinbase Pro because of the low fees. This is what it looks like, but I'll probably do a Bitcoin video separately. And I know Bitcoin's pretty high right now. Ethereum hit $1,000, but I still have to do my research on Ethereum. Ethereum did kind of let me down back in 2017, but so did the whole crypto market, so it's not really a big deal. But this is my hard wallet, and this is just the app. My cold wallet is like a physical, like USB thing, that requires a code and has the seed and everything. So yeah, but that's about it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, again, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep updating you guys with more content. Peace.